Hi guys, I'm Banana Man, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a sitemap for your website. Before I go ahead and show you how to do that though, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel, leave a like down below, and also comment what you want to see next. Okay, let's go. So, as you can see, I've got a very simple site setup. It's just an index, and you see some style and stuff. So what you want to do is make a sitemap.xml file in the root of your project. Okay, now I will type in some mandatory things into this XML file. Okay, so this is the stuff that's mandatory. This just defines the encoding. It has to be UTF-8, otherwise bots will not be able to read your sitemap. And this just makes this sitemap work. And now I'm gonna show you how to add URLs to your sitemap to which robots should go. Okay, so I've typed it all up now, and as you can see, this is just the URL of the site the bot should visit. Then you've got here last modified. This is just some meta tags and change frequency, which tells the bots how often this sitemap will change. Then we've got priority. It goes from 0 to 1. 1 is the biggest priority and will basically be indexed first, and 0 is the smallest priority and it will be indexed last. Oh, and also very important, don't forget to close this URL set right here. So yeah, that was my tutorial on how to make sitemaps for your website. If you liked this video, then leave a like down below, leave a comment about what you liked and what you want to see next, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, bye.